Hi, it's Mr. Pham again. Today I want to review our Ecosystem Summative Assessment project-based rubric. Before we get started, let's review our three essential questions. Number one, how do components of an ecosystem affect organisms living in the ecosystem? Number two, how do the living and non-living part of the environment interact with each other? Number three, what factors influence these interactions? For this project, you and your team will create some sort of product as part of your presentation to explain your findings on the specific ecosystem you have researched. You may use any media of choice, whether you want to create a multimedia, creative poster, or brochure. You and your team could even write up a script and role play the information you have gathered. It will be each team's responsibility to develop an action plan to present the findings to their classmate and possibly publish online to the public. So please, read and review the grading rubric carefully. Do ask me questions if there's any uncertainties. I'm here to ensure we are all successful and learning. Now let's move on to the rubric. There are 6 categories which I will use to evaluate your presentation. Each category is worth 4 points, making this total presentation 24 points. The first category is on content. It is important that each team addresses the 3 essential questions we just reviewed. The next category is based on the food web design. For each team, we need to construct a sophisticated model of a food web, which means it should include 3 food chains that interlock. In each food web, you should include a producer, consumer, and decomposer. As part of your food web, you will be expected to use pictures. I'm expecting at least 9 visual representation to help your audience see the big picture or the core of your content. Also related to the food web is how you create your ecosystem. All the animals used should belong in the correct biome and could be found in that ecosystem. For the delivery portion of your presentation, I want to see clear creative transitions. Some teams may opt in creating a fully recorded film. Again, the expectation would be that the transition consists of a smooth flow. Lastly, it is important that every member shows enthusiasm in their presentation. Your tone and pace will paint a beautiful story. You need to sound interested in order to get your audience interested. Again, if you have any questions about any of these grading criteria, I am here. Have fun with this, and goodbye.